Recruiting agency owners, what if I could show you a consistent way to attract inbound leads to your recruiting business, whether it's hiring managers, new clients, or candidates? What feels better, coming to your office in the morning and pushing out a bunch of emails, cold emails, LinkedIn messages, making some phone calls, and basically pushing your product on people that really don't need it? Or coming to your office in the morning, opening up your email box, opening up your LinkedIn account, and seeing people reach out to you, raising their hand, asking for more information because they've learned about you, they've done some due diligence, they've done their research, and they're a believer in what you can do for them. I would say number two would be a better way to approach your business. That's what I do every week, and I can show you exactly how to do it. You can copy my system. If you want to work hard, if you're willing to work hard, that's all that I need from you to show you how to attract good inbound leads, the best leads you could possibly get. They'll help you close business and grow your recruiting business exponentially year over year. Let me give you a quick preview of what I am talking about. Just today, I posted an article on my LinkedIn account, on my LinkedIn feed. So every day I put one article out between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Eastern, which I call the magic hour on LinkedIn. I have noticed and I have studied with my members that between 9 a.m. Eastern and 10 a.m. Eastern is when their algorithm really triggers off and favors any post that you want to put on LinkedIn, whether it's a news article, a text post, a video, a poll, a survey. That's when you want to do it. Additionally, what you want to do is always comment on people that engage on your post and tag them. That also helps trigger the LinkedIn algorithm. But here's an example of how I attract inbound leads on a consistent basis, organic leads, which are the best ones. These are free. I'm not paying to get traffic, guys. And you can copy my system and do the exact same thing. So here's a post that I put out there that's relevant to the recruiting industry. I created this. It took me literally 10 minutes, drank some coffee, espresso, and wrote this up in the morning here. And then I have a copy and paste template that I just put in. That takes me literally 2 seconds. And then I put a call to action. If you want to receive my PDF that helps you attract new clients, go ahead and type Liga in the comments below. Very simple. And look what happens here. Let me show you. We got 1 Liga, 2 Liga, 3, 4, 5. It goes on and on. I have 5 phenomenal inbound leads right here that took time out of their morning to read my article, to type Liga, to request more information from me. I'm going to reply to them, send them the PDF. I went ahead and created this PDF, hiring somebody on Upwork, which you can do as well. Just go to upwork.com. And I paid $100 months ago to get this PDF created with my picture, some great coloring, branding, testimonials for members that are having great success with Recruitemy. And then I lay out my 7 steps to getting new recruiting clients. And then on the bottom is all my contact information and social media sites. Very simple. Why can't you do this? You can. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and get your lead magnet. That's what I call this, a lead magnet, set up. Start putting some consistent content on your LinkedIn page. Stop calling people, stop pushing lame cold emails out, stop sending in-mails and messages telling people you're a recruiter and you can help them fill their needs and I specialize in this. People don't care about that. You're not going to get responses. Your recruiting company will fail really quick if that's how you do biz dev and marketing. This is the way you want to do it.